Hi guys, how are you all doing in this super hot weather? We're having a heat wave here in the UK. You can probably hear my fan, but honestly I can't film this video without the fan blasting at me directly because it's really hot. I really hope that you can't hear it too much and it's not very annoying. Today I have another luxury haul for you, but this time it is quite affordable because I found some amazing pieces on sale that I want to show you. It is a summer haul. I found the most beautiful dresses, so I wanted to show you them. I also have something from Dior, and I haven't bought anything from Dior for the longest time, but I might need your help with this one because I'm not sure if I should keep or not. So yeah, if you're interested, let's get started. And guys, don't forget to come also follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here, where I upload my new purchases, my daily outfits. So if you're interested and want to get some outfit inspo, come say hello on my Instagram as well. Did I mention it's been super hot here in the UK? I know I keep saying it, but I really can't bear the hot weather. And I've been doing some online shop instead because I can't leave the house because it's so hot. So I did some damage online, and most of these items I found on sale and with the help of my favorite shop tagger. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with shop tagger because I've spoken about shop tagger in my previous videos, but in case you're clicking on this video for the first time and you have never heard of shop tagger before, here is how it works. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss out because it is honestly the best little helper when it comes to shopping. So here is how it works. So guys, it is super easy. First you need to download the Shop Tagger browser button. It works both on Safari and Google Chrome. Then once you've downloaded Shop Tagger, you can go to your favorite online stores and you can find a list of all online retailers on Shop Tagger as well, but it literally works on any website you can think of. Luxury, high street websites. It works at my favorite Loewe by Aroma, Farfetch, Net-a-Porter. Then when you choose an item you want to buy, you're interested in, you save them to your Shop Tagger by clicking the Shop Tagger button. You can save items to different wish lists and categories so they're easy to find. I have split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags, as you can see. After you've completed this step, you really don't have to do anything else. You just sit back and relax and wait for Shop Tagger to notify you when your favorite item that you want to buy goes on sale. It even notifies you when an item is back in stock or low in stock with a push notification on your phone or email. Shop Tagger also has this amazing feature, that's my favorite, that shows you codes at checkout. Shop Tagger searches the entire internet for the best codes to apply and save you the most amount of money when you're purchasing the item. Now they're also launching a new cashback feature that you can use to also get some money back from your purchases. You guys know that I've been obsessing with Zimmermann dresses, and I actually have 3 new ones to show you in this video. Most of them I have bought with the help of Shop Tagger, and I've saved so much, honestly, probably thousands of pounds. So if you're interested, you can download Shop Tagger. I'll leave a link in the description. It is free to use and I'm sure you will really enjoy it, so definitely check it out. Okay, so since I already started talking about Zimmermann, I want to show you the first dress that is honestly so pretty. I think many of you will love this one, and I have an idea how I want to wear it and style it. How nice would this look with my Lady Dior bag, the pink Lady Dior bag that I have? I think it will be stunning. It looks so girly and beautiful. I love the design. It has a beautiful v-neck and a cutout. It's very flattering. It ties at the back. It is also slightly longer. It's not very short compared to my other Zimmermann dresses. Most Zimmermann dresses I find are quite short. However, this one is so beautiful at the bottom. It's asymmetrical and it is slightly longer. I do think that this dress looks a bit more dressier than, let's say, the other ones that I want to show you next. It will be perfect for an evening out, for a nice dinner. It is so beautiful and summery. I really love it. It's very lightweight. I got mine in size 3, so yeah, I got mine in size 3 because size 2 was sold out, but it actually fits fine because you can also cinch it at the back. Actually, Shop Tagger notified me when this was back in stock because I really wanted it. It was very discounted. As soon as it came back in stock, I was like, I don't mind that it is a size 3. I can always cinch it in and tailor it to fit, and I don't even have to because it has these belts at the back, so you can cinch it in and it looks perfect. I really love it. The colors are so beautiful in the design, And yeah, this is the first dress. Let me show you the other two. By the way, I did mention in the previous video that I found this amazing online outlet, and they have so many beautiful Zimmermann dresses, literally 80%, 70-80% off some of them. So definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description box. Let's move on with the next Zimmermann, and this one you might know already because I recently wore it in a video and some of you asked me what dress it is. It is another Zimmermann. You guys know how much I love the color grey, and this one is very special because it has these beautiful cutouts. Can you guys see? I'll try and show you up close. The print is beautiful. I love this dress because it has all the signature Zimmermann details. It has the beautiful cutouts, the long puffy sleeves. It is a short dress and the back is so beautiful. It is cut out. Can you guys see? It's like an open back, and there are these two ties at the back as well. It is very lightweight. Most of Zimmermann dresses, the summer dresses they do, are with long sleeves. I kind of wish they had more short sleeved designs for summer, but to be honest, the long sleeves look so beautiful. The dresses are so pretty and so girly, and they fit like a glove. They're quite pricey, but they always go on sale, so I never ever buy. Actually, I lied. I did buy one dress full price that I'm gonna show you next. So definitely when you see a Zimmermann dress that you like, just save it to your shop tag and wait, because you can get it discounted. So yeah, this is the second dress that I bought. I love the color, and this dress looks so nice with my small grey Chanel flap. I like to style them together. So yeah, this one is beautiful, and this one, it's not see-through. I usually don't wear a bra with this dress, and yeah, so let's move on. Okay, so here we have one more Zimmermann dress. This is the last one in this video, and this is my one and only Zimmermann dress that I bought full price ever. All my other dresses I bought on discount, but this one seems to be very popular, and I noticed it was selling out very fast. It was only available in my size on the Zimmermann website, and it was low in stock, so I was like, I need it. Guys, look at this color. How pretty is this dress? So here is the beautiful yellow dress. I really can't think of a dress that is more perfect for summer. It is in the most beautiful bright yellow. It looks so sunny and so cute. I'm obsessed with it, honestly. This one is in size 2. Also, I forgot to mention the previous one that I showed you was in a size 2. This is my normal size, and they fit perfectly. I already tried it on and it fits so nicely. It is quite short, but short is good for summer, right? And this one is also linen, which is a great fabric for summer because it doesn't keep you too warm, so I love that. So this is a wrap-up dress. It has a belt that you can cinch in. I love the v-neck. It's very flattering, and I'm normally not a v-neck person, but this one looks very nice. It's quite deep, but it looks very nice, and the sleeves are big, long and balloony. I love it. Very signature for Zimmermann again. The colors are amazing. So this dress, it has tags. It is £540, which I think is quite good for Zimmermann, considering the other dresses are around 1,000, most of them. They have even more expensive ones, like the more special ones, the ones that are embroidered or have sequins. They're normally 2-3k. So actually this is really good price for this dress because it's designer, it fits amazing, it's Zimmermann, and it is so pretty. It's such a pretty dress, so I think the price is okay. It is such an attractive price for Zimmermann. I think that's why it's such a popular design, and I didn't want to miss out. I didn't want to wait for this to go on sale because it might never end up going to the sale. So yeah, definitely check it out before it's gone. It is so beautiful. Okay, we're done with Zimmermann. Let me know which dress was your favorite in the comment section down below. So let's move on. I mentioned that I have something from Dior that you can see in the background. This was an online order, and I'm not sure if I should keep it. So guys, let me know. I really like it. I'm not sure if it's very me. That's why I'm unsure. So this is how it came, beautifully wrapped. Even they sent the shopping bag, and they added this beautiful charm, which is like a metal charm. Can you guys hear? And this will be such a nice Christmas decoration. It is so beautiful. I love that. Okay, so here it is. I'm sure not many of you would be able to guess what this is, although I have tried these on. It's a pair of shoes in a few different vlogs, so if you've been following me for a while, you might remember. And ooh, okay, we have a little pouch, dust bags. So much wrapping. Da, 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 da. Look at these. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Look at these beautiful D-Connect sneakers. How gorgeous are they? Like, I'm obsessed with this colorway. These are probably the most beautiful, not probably, these are the most beautiful D-Connect sneakers that I've seen. The color combination is perfection. I think these are from the previous collection. They're not like very new. I think they released their winter, like autumn winter collection recently, and the Dior Amour collection. I'm not a fan of that one. So these are the collection before that, I think. But look at this color combo. Like, when I saw these, I was so in love. To be honest, I've never been a huge fan of the D-Connect sneakers, but it might be because I've never seen a pair that's so perfect. They have released these in so many colors and designs and prints, but I've never been like super in love with them until now. Like, when I saw this color, I was like, oh my god, it is perfection. So these are quite pricey. They're more than, let's say, Chanel pair of sneakers. So that's another reason why I wasn't sure if I want to keep them. They're a bit more than 800. I think 800 something I paid for them. I can't remember. And I do love the color. However, I'm not sure if the design is very me. That's why I've never been a huge fan of the D-Connect. I have tried them on previously, but I don't know, maybe there was something about the style. I didn't really think they looked that great on me personally. I think they look great on some people, but maybe it's the way you style them. They're very casual, and I do like to dress very casual, but I don't know what it is. I'm not sure about the design, but I do love the color. So that's why, guys, I need your help. Should I keep these or return these? And they're very comfortable. They're so comfy, honestly. And oh, look at the sole, it's so beautiful. There is a little Dior writing on the laces, and I guess this is a spare pair of laces here in this pouch. Oh my god, these are so much fun. Look, orange. Ooh, these with the orange laces will actually look so nice as well. So yeah, these are the sneakers. I'm not sure, like, maybe I should keep them and give them a go, because I really do love the color. Actually, it was the same with my 30 Montane bag. You guys remember, I wasn't a fan. I thought the style was not very me, but it's actually one of my most worn bags, and I love it. So it's like the same thing. I didn't really love the 30 Montane bag until I found it in the most perfect color, the most perfect leather. I have the navy blue, dark navy with crinkled leather, with gold hardware. It is stunning. So I love that bag now so much. So maybe the same thing will happen with these. Maybe I'll love them and I would want to buy more of these. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like them? I think the design is really cool. Oh, and I love the sole. Look, they have the Dior star. We're not done yet. Did you guys think we're done with this haul? No. There is something else from Net-a-Porter. I placed a little order, and we have, oh my god, I made such a mess everywhere with this wrapping and packaging everywhere. I picked up a pair of sunglasses, and now I know these are not everyone's cup of tea. I think many of you will probably hate them, but these are very popular style, and they were sold out for the longest time. And I got a notification from ShopTag that they're back in stock, and I was like over the moon. I couldn't believe it. So these are these I don't know actually the style. These are very popular style from Loewe. They're very casual, very edgy, very cool. Look how slim they are. They're so slim. I love them. They have a very thick side frame, and these come in different colorways, but this was my favorite one, and this is the colorway that was sold out for the longest time ever. So I've been hunting these down for a few months. I'm not going to try them on now with this dress because you will hate them probably, because they're very edgy and I'm currently dressed a bit more girly, so they'll look hideous probably. You have to wear the right outfit for these because they're so cool. So imagine this: faux, big bouncy curls, big hair, a turtleneck or any kind of like top, more casual top, a blazer, a pair of leggings or black jeans, and these on. I will put a look together so you can see how I'm planning to style them. So let me know what you guys think about these sunglasses. I'm pretty sure many of you will hate them probably. I showed these to my friends and she laughed at me. She was like, no. These are not basic sunglasses, okay? These are cool, they're edgy, they're different. I have so many classic boring sunglasses. Well, not boring because I love all my sunglasses, but you know what I mean. So these are slightly different and I love them a lot. So if you're interested, they're currently available. Hopefully they won't sell out, so if you're interested, buy them because they're very popular and I'm sure they'll sell out. They come in this beautiful case as well. So yeah. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's summer haul video. Let me know what was your favorite item, what do you think about the dresses, the shoes. Let me know in the comments, should I keep the shoes? I kind of think I should. Don't forget to check out Shop Tagger, and everything else is linked in the description box, what I'm wearing, all the items that I showed you. So if you're interested, definitely check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.